This looks amazing.
Yeah.
Rob, you know, life is a playground.
It's about seeing life through a different lens. We've got tabletop, collectibles, creative fantasy, and we've got many different paths to go. So where shall we go?
I think we go this way.
After you, please. All right, so this is the tabletop section.
Wow,
Jenny.
looks nice.
We all know board games, right?
Yeah.
Played board games before, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I mean, they're bigger than ever. You've got that kind of relaxed family play, friends getting together, but there's that competitive element to it as well. And as you can see, we've got a little bit set up here. Let's move on to the next section, Jenny, before you cheat your way through this game.
Is there some
Oh,
more
I'll leave you here.
stuff?
I'm leaving you here. Yeah, there's plenty more stuff. Come on.
No.
Are you a fan of anything in particular? Because if you are a fan of anything,
Oh,
the toy industry's got you covered. Exactly, right? Collectibles. If you want your Naruto, your Dragon Balls, your Star Wars, your Squid Games, your Demon Slayers, whatever you want, there is a collectible these days for you. Not all collectors are just, want to buy little bits and bobs. Some collectors, myself included, looking for like valuable, rare, exotic, fun items.
this is the place to be, Rob.
Well, you can combine your two passions here. I'm late.
Oh, bye-bye.
Slow and steady wins the race, Jenny. I'm so sorry.
See, I make it good.
Wait, is that you or is that me?
Is it?
I thought that was me.
No, that's me.
Oh, so cocky. Anyway, we've got more to see. Come on,
let's
leave your
go.
cars. Jenny, we are in the creative fantasy world, which means it's a new instant, it's a new experience. I need you to roll for initiative, please, Jenny.
Oh, D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, and there's a big one.
See what
roll
your
the
initiative
dice.
is. Oh, it's a
Oh,
six.
it's a six.
That's not great, I'm afraid. Did you know that I'm a dungeon master?
You are?
Oh, yes. And a darn good one at that,
Show
thank
me.
you. Well, I mean, it's quite a long period of time to do that. You can customize what you're given, you can make your own maps, you can make your own worlds.
Oh, that is really cool.
Yeah, and everything you want to do is based on dice rolls, so there's a bit of luck element to it as well. And it's just the best way to spend a weekend. Big up to my D&D crew. I see you.